Unlike many of its rivals, the VW Amarok isn't available in any kind of beefed-up guise with aggressive body panels and a look-at-me design. Fortunately, tuning company pickup design has given the Amarok some of the attitude it so desperately needed. Modifications made to this Amarok start up front with an extremely menacing fascia that incorporates enlarged air intakes, black headlight surrounds, and a silver skid plate. Additionally, the pickup receives a set of flared wheel arches, black wheels with off-road tires, an LED light bar on the roof, and an overhauled rear incorporating a subtle spoiler. Inside, the modifications continue with black leather and fabric covering the seats, light brown accents throughout, and a steering wheel that would look more at home in a sports car than a large pickup truck. Additionally, the Amarok also has a small plaque in the center console denoting itself as one of just 500 examples set to be built. Will the upcoming Ford Ranger Raptor get anywhere near matching the insanity of this creation?